study free on said they are qualified for a Numa Hodo na Emrofono ABB. Joining me on Facebook Live, na hard a video of said the more treaty other Africans. Another video so Congolese, more treaty or another video so Omoko PMO hospital. Now Omuchi say so one South African ni na te hospital have a yari sani yari sha sorry p. They sacked them. Almost sack you when you pay. And more catch doctors and they say, one more die emergency or moko the moment one more bomb so money no, they should discharge them from those hospitals. And you see, there is a history behind South Africa becoming South Africa when it comes to apartheid story in Asifo. But I wonder the entire bibini and penny yonko bibini asem. Bibini on penny yonko bibini asem minim the entire. The same thing I had be PMO Ghana ha. Minim the entire Ghana ni and penny yonko Ghana ni asem. And wahanso join your Facebook na hwe said ye ton sa el boni passage na boxing ring mu ye wia ye de sa aposifo ahoma yi say barazu say so de e di goni pa hwe ne ha nyina ne say ofira bibimam ha e na wakoko pie mu wa bibimam ya e from ho South Africa so okwa akoye adwuma wo ho ne ha ne boni nyina no ne boni nyina ne say oye bibinia oye adwuma wo South Africa on free South Africa but oye adwuma wo South Africa tini how no wo mu kire mu sa before no aba beje wo mu nyuma eye. And it's very 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 sad, very very disheartening. And opa ebe kwa homa so ni akwa kodi nkomo but ye hwe video no kakre bi a hyase ne Kevin famisha say ye hwe wi na ye tie the President John Dramani Mahama enso dia ba betu dwa na fe ye kwa homa so ne security analyst ne expert akwa kodi nkomo ti ye ntie kakra ne emra. I said what from I said what kumnipa I said why boni kakra kabia to say ojini ho a wonti ase ojini ho a wonti ase na yentie and someone the president of the Republic John Dramani Mahama edi tuja kakra some years ago no edi tuja Kevin Shasema me na fe yentie kakra.
I think that is an issue that we are all worried about because of the specific circumstances of South Africa, and it's most regrettable and most unfortunate. I think that the young people of South Africa do not know what happened before they gained their freedom. The whole of this continent stood behind South Africa. The whole of Africa stood behind South Africa to fight against apartheid. I remember all of us growing up as secondary school children, went on marches. We were part of the African Youth Command. We demonstrated, we boycotted classes and all that, all in the fight against apartheid. Indeed, for several of the countries where their citizens have been brutalized in South Africa, these are countries that were called frontline states that harbored the freedom fighters, of South Africa and gave them safe haven, gave them passports, to be able to avoid the clutches of the apartheid regime. And even Nigeria, even though not a neighbor of South Africa, was considered a frontline state because of the economic contribution that Nigeria did to the ANC to be able to liberate South Africa from apartheid. And so it is regrettable that the same people who fought against apartheid, are being attacked in this way. The pictures we've seen are very horrible. As ECOWAS, we've issued a statement condemning what is happening. The unfortunate thing is this is not the first time. It keeps flaring up. And so while we're condemning I think that it's an issue that we are all worried about because of the specific circumstances of South Africa, and it's most regrettable and most unfortunate. I think that the young
indeed,
people...
Yes, indeed. It's most regrettable and most unfortunate. Unfortunate. Very, very unfortunate. And Kamea says South Africans ne yama okwa abibiman nyina ekabo mu ekon ye de J South Africa so obi gina ne nan so na ened South Africa be South Africa free 1960 mu ho saade ba Kwame Nkrumah na muntu awotu ni other African countries a wo ka wo hu bo mu say ye beboa ma South Africa gina ne nan so na wanya ne sovereignty ne independence na enne South Africans, this is what they are doing. This is not the first, not the second, not the third. It has been happening. Videos are who do a chair mu ye koko lock shops are belonging to Africans are woman free a year South Africa. But then they are there omo na the economy of South Africa to me so Kevin may the letter be the mouse to see a free a year Minister of Foreign Affairs Fato Sumbame and Sakrani Akwahomaso na yahwesi yen sabeka nimako yeboa or ye security experts esanso ye student there or Ghana School of Law and so ye no etumi adi enkomo wa homa no so na yahwe security wise de ekokoko so yi eboa de ekokoko so yi ebeboa so as Africans are ne ye nyina ye pre United Africa ye pre borderless Africa so obi betumi afiri ha kwa kopie mo hanom na enne de ekoso nie no ye be kwa akɔhwɛ na fi ya nyanchemu mame nkɔ ahoma so mene ye nimako ye yeboa or ye security analyst that's also a student Ghana School of Law mene no enkodi enkomo kakra wa ahoma no so meza nimako what even ka anopai Mache.
Bajo on kapa.
Abom to saying.
Apombo ko na daruma. Na pacho monzo e.
Erade adom me ho ye pa. O ma menya nte ese nche obewura e court room nti. Ma menya ntentem ne enko. The happenings in South Africa. What yenya videos ni bi ehwe ye no. Your reaction as a security expert. What is saying?
Well, so incident na as you the home to but me na mo no offer in relation to security and laws no more about tanya ma we nyina en sha se ni nyina pre-colonial my bra Africa your course colonization no more no follow to wipe away the unity that Africans we do have. And in Cabo Mune or do I will say Africans no. Then Cabo Mune the something of African person or African person. The love, the bond that put on and to okay the way we receive foreign nationals, almost Europe, a bag and a crown. We give them some sort of privilege, more quality as compared to our neighbors. And to that, we could now mindset, you know, we cannot be united and fish for one agenda, fish for one economic interest. And I just animal. That's one of the main things that Kwame Nkrumah unite Africa. Because the only way Africans can have freedom, economic freedom, and become one of the continents is Africa. Look at our population, at the resources we have. I mean, for Africa and the South Africa issues. This is not the first way I have. Most of the times that xenophobia attack, you know, it's with service. But what you mean? Exactly, it's service. And you know, you see, and the root cause is that the black man does not recognize the fellow black man as one people. And you know, it may be sorry, Africans united. There's one. The real issue, the fact pattern is that it is not true. What you're gonna cry with the tribes and they are not united, but we continue to preach that we should be united. See, the xenophobia attack is being done because of the fact that Africans are not united. But and I know moral knowledge. But the is security alone. You see, as a state, you are sovereign. Each state is very sovereign. In the sense, every state is independent. And in South Africa, I work on actually, your foreign national school. You have to register with the for the permits, document permits. I read further to understand that most of the people out of the country, they do not have a record in the country. And people are fine, so okay, yeah. And I say you get to connect with their institution to ascertain the na Emma necessary. But you realize that most of these, countries, without having a requisite document, they overstay and they try to work when they work. This is only two class of people. Say, oh, these people are doing very well. But among the requisite, they begin to protest against that people. And office people who are not doing well. There are people who are doing business in the country. The moment said they are taking all that. And the but the fact is that this South Africans are fighting against their own Nigeria. Other minor African among part of the state.
Okay.
But also, the High Commissioner of South Africa, why should look our church say so that Ghana from their safety, is worthy. But me in the mono, empire na yeah, but they should get back to the post of Ghana. Get a better assistance, only. And I feel the most important thing now is so they should make sure that they are aware. So they should find appropriate to go to the security questions. They need patients at embassies to find safety. Then I think from there they will be advised accordingly. Most especially they should do the right thing.
Okay.
Comply with the laws. Now, majority if you have the requisite, you have to do business with. That's will be any form of attack in any Diana. I believe that if have competent court on mention.
Okay.
But I go back and walk out. You are illegal immigrant. Now say more attack. How did you go to press in court? One of the suggestions they should try to better their business the requisite working permit to work in South Africa. The ECOWAS attack about with regards to their business. They can seek redress.
Okay.
And yes, if they don't have the requisite, they'll be boxed. They'll be boxed. That's also government need push any they can more a bit and let's the better their and for now so that they are west. So this is one of the situations in when the South Africa the South Africa it's not also difficult.
Okay.
South Africa for the period of time well sweet and economic hardship upper indigenous network. Until whereby by indigenous network, they resort to other.
Okay. Okay.
So they begin to also protest at national bomb model. And it also have underpinnings.
Okay.
After would also want to capitalize on these people for their own development. And it's worrying. But for now, we only should be mitigated by the law enforcement in South Africa.
Very well.
And after the consular relations of embassies is now, they should get international will be worse. And yes, it will have repercussions in the various countries. Ghanaians may also have business here.
Yes.
And that's where we are looking for.
I see.
And let's kind of 1.1. They would ensure diplomatic time, try to get in touch with them. To ensure that well mitigate.
What brain in deep? My main last question now if major honum. Who may in your delivery, which you say, pre-colonial mindset normally be 2 years trimono, a kahuna, ebia de kosu koso and of course other African countries how they treat or neighboring African people no air time. How did Mrofono achieve this pre-colonial mindset? The etosu and so no. Do the South Africans know say Africans came together, fought for them to be who they are today and now?
Well, so the pre-colonial mindset, I'm not only part of their way to think disintegrate unity of the African states.
Okay.
It's a overshare even the Assam bond of 1844 in Omaba, Ghana, where and one of their main motives that support against they try to align with people who say they can work with them.
Okay.
And they begin to support, aid them. So they form alliance, and they let you understand that these people are your enemies. Okay. So let's go and attack them.
Okay.
But so do you know? No. Before Obe align with you, when they say, are you a tribe? And I said, are you a community? I'm very strong. So we are very strong. Do you have any form of conflicting with other tribes? Until Abasana to fight other tribes. And by doing that,
okay.
You see, so unity now I think can be maybe I am paying for the APCC and seminar. I'm make sure say unity Emma.
So okay.
What I say, they will try to make sure that the community are related and beyond. You see, so I'm buying and not they always want to fight. And I'm fighting, so they have that, and our people didn't know. But so do you know, they begin to take our resources and they give and by providing with this, because you have not discovered the essence of the resources. A good and good the value of good actually. But no.
Okay.
So another is good to negotiate properly by giving you small assistance and taking a lot from. And because of the fight now by and the disintegration by African community.
Okay.
And African young country wait on Yemenipa on camera. Then they begin to form kind of tribal conflict, You see, but in books, in theory, that's in books and in theory, we always preach peace and unity and all that. But the real issue is that in Ghana, we have tribal conflicts. You understand? But because it is not really something that they promote into the entire income wasn't. But the truth of the fact is that tribal issues don't exist. This is a balance. The the major concern in the tribe. Then both say individual air fighting on tribal lines. And he said this disunity nearby in the that unity part in the unity of Africa. But the moment on Metro Mombasa, they will fight them and they will oust. Until I come and come out because of fire and now, he has to use force to ensure that the Ghanaians will have freedom.
Okay.
You see, meanwhile, also, Ghana already with patience and try to use a very sustainable, amicable way to resolve the economic issues. But come and come about these people are in bed with it. I mean, people and Ghanaians. So he has to use force. He has to use, I mean, all the techniques he knows to ensure that break out from this force. I mean, rule because then you are let entity in them.
Okay.
And by so you come to unite the people of Ghana. That we have as a state. This in we begin to see ourselves as one. And as South Africa, for instance, they understand and I think they know it's part of their history that prior to they gaining independence of the fight, African leaders had to make proposals. African leaders had to speak on their behalf as well. You see, but I don't know because to see an entire or organization will be, but you know, it is not a mechanical. It is a wagon we have. You see, but I go back the man and I said, "Then no, I'm not sure they will resort to violence again."
Okay. Okay.
If I said Ghana, Hana, no fight, economic happiness, don't how Ghanaians were did.
Matthias. Mamem power chow, meaning so breno a tian. I mean, this our last question in C form. Could anyone conclude or have that thought in mind? Say it could be say maybe the leaders of South Africa are behind because we asibako asimienu asimiensa and nine just say a tersi come here say abroswa afe ni na chidie. You say we be see. We've not seen the government say about bonting, say be our chi obi, so what the oma from Rakwan, so about bonting, so what the steps and measures be to just to kwemu. Sebeya repetition of this unacceptable, this grim will not happen again.
Okay. Well, I think in the not share my view. Any time we have the root cause. Root cause means no matter preparing what is our interest. And you know, South Africa interest them and what we're into. Akobasa, they try to, I mean, pull the for their personal gain. And then I told her, political interest is so ever. Until Akobasa, when he said, this is something I can capitalize to ensure that the government is stabilizer. And let me do that. So, after interest, anytime they are conflict, one can say that they may have interest, but on reality, you cannot, take any form of political party who is associated with this xenophobia. Now, you mean a party A support this attack against Africa. For now, in record, it is not so.
Okay.
But then, in most times, this year, other political would align if it's going to help them get their agenda done. Then they will have to align such a conflict, and the better they can fuel it. So hopeful for the public or better support it and that's not continue to attack. Then the Bayer other states will be on the government to make the government more popular and but to see no or that no the engineering can say party A, party B inside our conflict. But the major how much say they are unemployed and other nationals are taking issue. So the but minimum that's again of one purpose. They should try and use diplomatic funds to resolve the issue.
Mate, I have a lot of questions, but because of your time, Mame Mfao in Siana, thank you very much. Yane Mr. Nimakoya Boy, security analyst, sounds a student at Ghana School of Law. Onona, what is Yane Kodin Commodify South Africans, woman, and says Semna a course so a honor a Ministry of Foreign Affairs. Na medu area mono enra ya na ye the 23rd of April no mo de krata de babontin yo mo chiri mu se wo mo sermon South African envoy over xenophobic incidents ya ekoso ewo ho nom ti I say government of Ghana sermon South African envoy over xenophobic incidents. Kevin Boame no more join your Facebook and so bit me who no marking kind to the wide chance so far by ye making kind of my WhatsApp line I'll bit me at the wide chance so they are fire 0509438500 0509438500 I say Accra 23rd of April 2026 the Ministry of Foreign Affairs confirms that the acting High Commissioner of South Africa in Ghana, Mr. Tandu Dalamba, was summoned by the Minister for Foreign Affairs, Honorable Samuel Okudzeto Abraka, over recent xenophobic incidents in the Republic of South Africa. The objective of the summons was to formally express strong concern regarding reported acts of intimidation and harassment against foreign nationals, including Ghanaians, as captured in widely circulated viral videos. The Honorable Minister referred an incident in the KwaZulu-Natal province where a Ghanaian national, a legal resident, was confronted and asked to provide proof of his legal status and further instructed to leave South Africa and fix his country. The minister noted that such conduct undermines the dignity and rights of law-abiding individuals. The minister indicated that follow-up reports suggest escalating tensions with foreign nationals, including Ghanaians being advised to remain indoors for their safety. While noting that no fatalities or injuries have been recorded in the current instance, he recalled that similar incidents in the past had resulted in loss of lives and property and stressed the need to avert any recurrence. Honorable Ablakwa underscored the long-standing historical and fraternal relation between Ghana and South Africa, recalling Ghana's support for the anti-apartheid struggle and the contributions of Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, as well as the sacrifices made in pursuit of South Africa's liberation. The minister emphasized that the unprovoked harassment and attacks on law-abiding individuals and contrary to principles of African solidarity and unity, he stressed that Africans must not engage in conduct that undermine peaceful coexistence on the continent. The government of Ghana accordingly registered a formal protest and called for immediate and effective measures to ensure the protection and safety of Ghanaians in South Africa, swift interventions by the relevant authorities to prevent further escalation and firm assurance that such incidents will not occur. The way a krata free your foreign minister Samuel Okudzeto Abraka now or this sermon the South African High Commissioner and acting High Commissioner Dalamba edify the sea the koso our South Africa. It's very, very, very heartbreaking. Say bibini ehu ni yonko bibini no time ni yonko bibini, but then ohu ni yonko nipa or ye bruni or ye white there ubuno. So you see, it's a clear point we Africans we are making. It's a clear statement we Africans we are putting out to these white men. Say racism na yeni ankasa ye fight against no. We are the orchestrators of it. Young crowd ye shares our racism na say. Young crowd ye behind that. Young crowd na ye dekan start sa racism act ye na say for. Edi to da na ye ka say ye ku racism. Ye ku racism na say for. Ya na somehow some way ya na ye mesre. Because ye ni ankasa crowd ye mu ye ho. Ye ni ankasa crowd na ye tan ye ho. Ye ni ankasa crowd ye tete ye ho. You see? So we are the orchestrators, we are the plotters, we are the starters of racism. Mame kwa homa so, when him say na answer so, can you dunduma doso? And enra, enra overseas hanum, se min suro, na min ha many enka, wa wutie me, unso wo experience bi. Almost 15 to 16 hours of lights out, the experience wa hanum. What could be the cause? My uncle Homaso na ye ne a Samson Ade or your policy analyst back communications so Dimo or Copec one of my sway or Wahomano so Maminko Namin in Como. Samson, Marche.
You don't look on me.
Maybe I find it.
No way, and I'm on the swear.
Obadi Adaroma, yes, so ye. Yen experts. We don't have any knowledge. The only knowledge you walk na a bit to me my home can say can you do koso. So we will rush to say Dumso is back again. Then we will have other contrary view to argue say it is not so. Mona moye expert. The state of Ghana's energy, near lighting system, no, and to say, where are we now as a country?
Kwame, my minister one of na minister was here for. Yes, there are reports. Some parts of the country are more experiences. Say you didn't do a mechanic. Now, open time say a doom show and I say you doom show. The doom so I say or mine can near who do I want to me answer it's different to say MOB energy. But as you speak now, no, we are canning one of the idea it's so clear. If you be better, you say you can be maybe if you didn't be a say, and answer maybe you just can't be a fool and answer gas, it's media power. Na osha adeba for your energy sector na investment abenya na ebo na ekobiare na akoduko but say UCD distribution sector no yes that massive investment honum no after na ye hu say abawe ba ye omudo mania for especially transformers on iti omakra transformers na kuma 2500 e dey aba omo replace most of the transformers across the country. The now that a year and a more than ever from it is a should took a credit and say, and some of us say, I won't say, because I'm not doing from. And then, too, there was a transformer area, and at that time, Lanica won no, it's a different door, you get a door to the same transformer. It's a dream. Now, or be able to know the answer from the year, but the foreign cost of a year, then a doom on to say, yeah, for a number of Kakabia, not a Saba. But to say, the power activities across the country, easy for Amaya who say, and most of them are maintenance, or most with some of the transformers. If you do one my business a day, and I said, no matter me as a store. It is a year, but I let more than 10 hours, 15 hours. Now, a transformers moving and a more places. And most in this time, I am now almost the announcement to not a figure. The one who can mobile app na auto prepaid was mostly Joanna announcement no on my big market to usher na say wo area na ka ho na say kan na edin for that long there na transformer no na omo no
Sanjay Muyin, so we've had it from the energy ministries area transformers and who do no almost so could that transformer yes no last for this number of hours 15 hours na yensesan we na ebi kura yemfa communicate bia so emma bonten emma Ghana for nya hotoso ne rehyem say okay this is what is happening nti say yetisum kura na okay it is worth it.
Yes, quite good. This for Omo Anna. So by then, Hassan, announcement to my instead of funny serious. We catch Abia, a sniper building can was some part of Abia, Kumase, and after Accra area. Yampen cohete Abia, many area count, Abia, and then message to be made. I said, Mr. Matadian, I and I said, me, again, I said, you can pay you number the because when you said the following day, no, I have to make kind of manufacturing, and I said, the new kind of transformer now. I want to do system in the boat now, or we be a sabbath to a sugar bahu, which a million to work with the 2 days. Now, I said, much now, the OSHA announcement, no, bar, no, with me. And I said, I have 4 up the announcement was every day. So, to one ocean after area Kahua. Now, what me, I know about what announcement in the back. I said, Omubaye, and area canon. It says 2,500 transformers. It means that there are 2,500 areas and Ombasisa, a transformers are making a bit to my boy. We require idea is just, but idea a good step ever because most transformers I accept because I absolute. It's the whole number from you tell me, you book a new young family. And I said, I can't do one more every one man. So, my one is that it's a one on because you find out another song. I might be a debate, maybe a crew now a new Pijasa. Like, I say, a month by a mother and then the same market, I didn't know that time the Namusa. It means to me and one of me to be Sambiano, and ma, especially the 6th period, no, and you may have to be a point, Maba, there, 6, 7, or Cobot Cannon. I will be actually TV, we have to the car there, I both a power no consular, can someone both a no one ma, not a doom, okay, a duma, Nadia, a tina, access, barely to her. It is a community duma, yeah, I was the board what is already a system, a failure, another system problem. And I say localized area where and I start in the airport. But also, and also, you can hear a doom that was some part of the near Accra. I had this to form him almost now. A year, a bear system bank and in the Banum. Emma and Sebastian, I had some Edwin Didier, you can hear so many parts of the near Accra. Something now, but I tell you, something. Emma, a buy.
Something. I'll come to that later now. To me, Meka say a excuse now sounds a reason why you face it and run. But before say about my question now is, we've experienced this kind of lights out. You all 3 times a day, 4 times a day, 5 times a day. The likes of Kwame Agyarko, the likes of overseas. The likes of Mamponting, and you can talk of other regions and so on. Now we experience this kind of lights out. And Sakura na wamo babonting abechire muse ebia weni transformers no mobile santina ebia ISR. Can we take this transformer issue we communicate yomo babonting serious? Should we accept that when in fact we've experienced this kind of dim sum before? That's one more release here by Bob Montiana.
Two things. The idea I said, if I say I'm for a Musa, some more canon, and no cry. You share idea, a year or more release or more at the buyer before and run. One said before and run, because a China say na ebia areas no mo de ba so mbe home maintenance na say ebia ehwa overseas nka ho na after the 20 seconds so be more than 16 hours then what happened here amodum 16 hours it's the woman no ho no again this year ebia it's very important mo na mo mbogu because sometimes na apart from transport no kwa no ebia bi betu bu ato we si bi so amana act na after power number but ya very important mo kukwasa omo person mbaba because adwuma na you go sometimes go ayi staff ndi won ma omo person bi so mu bia na ma ko so ko pita ni wa so ade na tuaka e bet man to get no the areas no edima the areas na mo kan wo mu so dia then yes we for so na omo my proud approval the senior be yes it is the museum and now the second part is say Kumasi as a whole na kasa no ba omo kan yan so they have a problem and then they start here it was a abandoned and Ameri and Black Kumasi na Entimua. Because the staff station na Kumasi and I say the generator the supply Kumasi. Na demands are na Kumasi demanded na double the transformer net in the moment. I don't say 61 kg as yes, but now almost over there 140 kg. So, and see, you push your Mary at the buy, and then two, which a year great lines, you know, even some wires, you know, high tension is now a year a connective from one city to another 1 town to the other. Now, the Benin, you know, I reach a SSano, but as a year, and I'm a year Kumasi a year problem, no, our horse, because Kumasi a year. We want the second largest city in Ghana, and it demands in terms of electricity. I was so. It's a my uncle who may answer a boss a hard. You see, up in as a buy no buy and or would any buy no try says idea or more persistent a year most of the year grid lines Kakaka. So I think I want to hear now to go a bit much of but with himself a year a buy no to everyone say you can buy me a year Kaka. It's Kumasi there. Most you know, I hear complaints about I am more because I know so there's a problem. In Accra, I say most of the areas we are meeting onto Enra and mechanical do Accra almost about 2-3 months. You must say do kind of a piano. So it's and then it can be a year before I cancel almost a year transformers. Yes, I gave you also the Mukano and Yellow.
Very well. One more press statement here about Bonti. Yeah, sure. Say we energy experts. Is it anything to go by? Say Ija ato a fire station and as a major fire incident at Great School, Kusumo substation, Eastern Regional, or Modi and Shimudi Abadi, Ama ene Kania Dundumi El Kosui. Is it anything to go by? Because I have a follow-up question to what I'm asking right now. Say, you be to me a year to Musa.
Say one. Can off and Greco for? Is it Greco or a year? Different from ECD. Okay, a year the energy supply chain now. A year DRA. And a year and Caniano. Not a man says or more a generative power. A more generative power we are now Greco are transmitted at the power distribution company that is ECD. Now ECD so actually their money with you. It's also the difference between ECD lines, you know, and Greco or more lines now. Also Greco they are high tension like a CSR pavilions we are I think canal Ekumba and no why are not more than a different from a year 4 you corrected by a
okay.
So it is good for the no issue from substation. Now a much transmitted net at the back. Now the blue a year at the town now. Now we go there the post no then action at the by see and the distribution there. It is a year when you for class there with the almost substation but a good cook. Or no transmitter ban and a catch say and I am promotion at the it is another area, one area, good to one or more than it is a good bar. Now, this can be a bit to let your money. I think I said, yeah, said the can a whole group.
Okay.
Because Ghana no yahu bi da.
Okay.
And the status in the ocean can na say a system failure and I said be say the year. Who's there at least almost resolvable. We have a one a room for bear. I think that close to bear 30 minutes. After bear 40 minutes no and then can number.
Okay.
So it's the question can answer the beginning here a man do here. But they do so they are and here from an apartment I catch them from stage to 6. So by when all the well do not come back and no a sister and a DBS you need to be back at the as of just good fish let's have a different from they see a chunk and power ration. It will have to do young Mount Kanya for 6 hours. You should be Kanya for 6 hours. From Tinama, I had to phone now with the bottom. And I let them know. We will get the Babia. Means to land your moon. As a book for someone to say, a year fire now. As a almost says so, a moon that you will be Aquesta, but the system, another transformation. The Bena, I had that, Moon Country, I had that. If the Emma, Edia Power, no course,
yes,
and it's that you could. Rather than say after if I say will be national for
yes. There comes my question. Say almost a fire, just like Cretano at that TV. So yeah, phone so air kind helping Fatun Jenga Crabame. Not phone so air kind. If say a fire, me no ye jitumu party in him say when it comes to safetyness, grid code. VRA, ECG, no more monkey count, woman for Niagro. Are they saying that baby our plants no name, more transformers, near posts are who do ACC no? They've not protected it from this kind of a disaster, a fire, then as for a nunti. A jet to me about betum, or are they saying that to me in jazz? I can't let them say, and now on stations will be asked that the job betum because safetyness is very key when it comes to side in sector. Yeah, you need more because one more transformers in as for no least mistake a bit to me a trigger fire. I'm a national baby, and you're protecting and say be a crown mechano. Me peje yakesi bi emfa wo ye ni emre Ghana for. So that's where my earlier question emanated from.
Yes, is it on the more letter about fire no? Is it a moon clear? As you said, ebia obina 60 debi wo be na abana bosom. I don't know, you answer that because is it himself be a substitute in the Bina one panel. A area ya clear the import a then a tribushi that any bit matra na abahon. And I said, oh, can I say, a system to transform it and I said, Bina not at all, and I'm at Ade Akye Abia. And I offer a jar to Muka jar to now. A bed is there. Baby, I'm one. It's me within 30 minutes in Yankaniano. If they're not to me, was fine, come to me and this is my like this in my back.
Yes.
Ebia or 1 or 2 transformers in Ebia, choose to be blue, a man, you see, that's almost 8 muba, but almost a fact, Ebia Eswano. But many says because I'm investigating now. Okay, Casano Blofuna as a yes, let's say be now considered so or called video economy. And no, I mean, no one
from 2007, Ghana, Munkania, IABB, Oho, Sabe Pemo, and Debia, we have excuses and reasons to give. Sabe Twaso, who we are energy expert. How do you see the future of Ghana's energy? Say resolution be a bit to me rather than excuses and reasons all of the time or now.
You see, idea one, politics now Emma the second couldn't. You see, one thing about the current president, the penasimo with the energy sector yourself. Anytime there will be an or massive investment. Now investment is sometimes a man can never do the degree. by the correct politics many dey to one ma fire ni ho betre because we from 2007 President Kufuor far past say yenko akosombo yenko bom pa ma akosombo water level no nraso and be anya hwe ye Bakumbobe Dr. Bakumbobe Tarazan and ebe enye be tell say that time kwano after so mo factors no a budget some koto by na nya a toys budget na ebe to last for baby about 6 months 1 year bi they need and on the year na ja nya so bu pa kakra bi no the free so the free one in 2010 started the problem say ba and Mahama Bayo or no na so best the issue about capacity no or you invest in buy after training you need say to go say and we my asset capacity Kwame asset capacity na you say let me can say ya you bed next year na ni na asa
okay
the answer invest say yes capacity ni kan wa better ko work with you one here there in 3 years time because utra ema a baby one ma o the new power plant bana o install ya one he bet ma to 2 3 years it's not a hook equilibrium and apezo we say that ba distribution sector na you can transform the here you know you now some massive investment say yes transform the business but here like the case of Sabah no was said 2,500 transformers to me look an extra but say it's me encouraging am man be aka ho a e betumi aso because aso we na e be go long way to help us but you dey politics room na you need to force through na the government of bia no so once we invest here and yes back and forth no because our ho no ma ye na ye ho betre
very well mami mbisa last question yi politics and a failure energy sector system no energy system no ECG grid code na se for na failure and I say personnels now wo hwe sam fidie yi so hwe sam fidie ne begina ne nan so no na fidie no so yanya modern ones ni quality ones amana di djuma no wo mo na failure na politics system or personnels
nini ensan nyina na failure one the unze na say about we take over ni musa for best 6 years na ECD de bia no omo boka and about we yes say dia omo ebe ye omo be ma private companies abem omo private you know afana you say oh ECD for no accept but there be omo fini e ba say omo so be you omo could you please last a year ECD make profit institutional make loss and after the can say the most hands now musa omo boss person na market come home omo profit even though say he did say leadership so can because new leader na ban so etimi eboy but e ba say for the ebe say price man ebe mu no and we can cost because about you man ya ni biara kokwasa no home and na e bit say meter and the video no you know ade anka e because register but we come no get register you can be no amount for be so ewia nkania no sika e say you to media no omo entimi na omo short media ya maintenance ati na boa mankata transform the thing no make omo tina ye e ka say you before na ye but and I'm sorry omo make loss with no e say aban e disca ne ba yes ma ye aban so ba na say e kan priority ho a mo so ho sa mo nye na bo so omo ye na afa bu sa nti ono fini di so ho na e mi ten no otu kwa oja ko wa be ba no wa be so eti eno so the politics aspect no so no e wo honom and partners no and I say no metro problem here say ye ka ye no na say accomplishment will be now e betimi ama nkane ne national this great price yes transform yeah meters any time na is the body na e bi no enyo mo for because you can ma and as so ma because of so no o ma hu say yeah meter center obia no ye de ma free no to the bona o mo yeah scale bebe o ma so mo ton to mo ton so bo na so wo nya ni no so il ga connection no ha ko ye na amasa ne mo na e happen
I see ma me na see on pay why something
Special dance Kwame.
Okay, Harity, Yako Ahomaso, Yane Samson Ade, policy analyst or Sanso, a pricing and research, penny pa a year, Kopek, on artist, and then could incomo and pay, you know. My young fasida, as the Cassia Pam from a OCP Ghana Limited. OCP Ghana Limited, woman at the fertilizer, papa, general nine so fertilizer, a bois na a year. Onoba ye no eson do che eba bebre na wunim so se eba bebre na so aba no bebre do so de che sa na eno na wusika wo income no so eba kese enti se wo do 1 acre abru ana se bibia keka ho sa wo do 1 acre na at the end of the year na oba be harvest no wo harvest bebre a wusika so na ye bebre ewo eye ehonum Edi me pacho Shannon so na fi so copper OCP fertilizer 15 and now say 20 na fi atumi aboa from 055 909437 and 055 909433 na fi uni omo eni nkomo wo ho. And obenya bi o sanso na tago heba mixture and then capsules nso eboya no pay o say so obema no ntumi nsori ampacho ko pay tago heba mixture and then capsules na fi bobo bi na no bi na mo na obema no ntumi nyina na so wo low libido nso a mepacho ya ntem na pay bi ewo ehonum infections all kinds nso mepacho Kopebi from 0243228296 0243228296. Shanon so anopai meni DKM edino eno na dodo na enim se ye frɛ no eno na dodo na enim se ye de frɛ na anopai ye ne no one on one or ye Ashanti regional organizer hopeful anopai ye ne no behia ni Ashanti regional organizer hopeful yene ne behia no pai na yaye one on one ni dian kasa de Daniel Kwaku Mensa Ashanti regional organizer hopeful the NPP anopai ne be dia hyiamu ye betena se na fe ya din komo ya bon komo ewo eye honum Royal King Cracker so efre wo se ema ekomunku me kan ya kom joba bia wo no emutwe ti wo ko officer King Cracker the commercial say they were first and first now they know your first aid na we be na tumi aboan sana wakopa dua na de nya sa osabechiwo me pacho ti kopa Royal King Cracker na fa kwanchi eye fatete wo kom no eso ewo eye honum Kingdom Herbal Center wo na first a company or the Kingdom garlic capsules any bitters any ababontin a boost to immune system no releases stress, anxiety, arthritis, numbness, hypertension, stroke, heart disease, cholesterol. Nina a Kingdom garlic capsules and bitters. Sounds on a Kingdom ginseng power capsules and so for sexual weakness, waist pains, mental stress, produces sufficient physical energy. I think so releases Siemens and extra power. Compare Kingdom ginseng power capsules, tremendous capsules and so boa. Now fi a natural health formula for the treatment of vaginal infections into your bowel. How a war compared to be menstrual disorder also and a bad odor so a copebi now will be friend 24 05972988 855 and I say 0559 761 144 761-144. Nothing so what do you do? Juma 21st clinic a sciatica expert. Sciatica expert. Sciatica expert there and 21st clinic bra na honam yaw no ne honam bre no yentu ni nyina se emfa emma ewo honam ti yentamo la ye lab test ye scan services nso ho Kumasi ehwa overseas junction near Alpha Radio Sompa FM building no mu omo ase sanso no Boase Council quarters Accra Tarifa Oyarifa ehodom eno mbutu sunyane opposite teaching hospital Kranza ombutu o teaching mo ho Fred 21st 0540311311 0249311311 na woni wo mu eni enkomo Roman father Drona ba aduro no numbness, stroke, body pains, weakness, pressure, and diabetes, all chronic diseases. Roman father aduro no, and I may come for the amount of pay from 0247919122 and 0552668517. Now when you're money come on. Shadows are pay, may know by exercise kit to be in the next 10 minutes, 10 minutes, pepe. May know by exercise be many openi adusi poku. Woman are far too almost so say, or take a course you a santura or tisiki gaso. You are 2482. The new man who do a wire project, a who do a wire schools, a who do a wire hospitals, a who do a wasi, nipa do a more, ye may have no. I first your mom say, Marco, you're listening now. Was a next year didn't come bia. Yana ebimo HM say no tune for on your way or tune for on your way. But behind the scenes, you know, because say enyamba the limelight, a Canadian toss, and your mom for a new project a hodua, or take a course or a year. And pay mene a year, a disipoku a dinko more 10 minutes. Nafi mene yura DKM. On so ne di ne odim say amam for agye atumu amam for agina tumu okurum ha nti babra momomra no mo betena se me wi adusi poku ana fe yeto aso omo ye team o ma facilitate first of its kind documentary project for His Majesty Otumfuo said to the second ya Sunday ya kwaside so eba no mbe premier sa video no na fe wahu jumaso ni project ahodo a te kokos waye nipa dodo na animo wo mu nim adusi maje
meje so ebru
bibia you fine
anyame adom bibia e kama pa
ya do bade na se wo e hodo adusi ma me hyase mfam free say badie na ehye kran chemu kutupa se mo be fasi mo ho so because oti kokos on the project a we me tama me wo Kwame Agyarko na me said the then me general manager the Sompa FM I think somewhere 2013 2014 obeji award teacher for obi a oyade pa free Kwame Agyarko what shade wolasi no obeji award ho so from that time na me hunu the good works of Otumfuo 82 which lot of people do not know it takes a few who have eyes and who are inquisitive to know say we now take a course or a year. What encouraged, what motivated, what charged him? Say more the best simona so na project ahodwa atiko koso e ye no more the about light no so na Ghana for nyina na biase afa na nyina ahu
we the medase pa ne adwumaso a wo ye boa sante ne Ghana nyina na 2017 mu ho na samre na me de dwuma kakra wa Capital Radio na ye tu anamo tap mre na social media afi ase a eba na nipa nim bi said e wo ka no bi o ha no obusa opemso e bo ne homoden wodi nsem oboa masomdwe eba ne kra ye friend pillar of peace na mum de omo hwe ne ye se omo ama mpuntu nyuma hodo so emra ebi kire se onsisi school adan ebi kire se hospital onsisi bi ebi kire se onyi akwan na ye tie sa nyuma na ne ye se we will do some research bi e wo hu se aso ohene anopem so oye bibi na ye nimu ana na ye hwe se ye de beba abonte na ye free dwumade na se ye convergence ntwefo kakra ye free pag media ansisi adum nsu ase ne wa ye di adwuma na nhwehwenu no emu ene ye hu se nneoma a waye no meme de pe the research amaye ye nim amampanyifo maba besia ko ye nim hemfo mo wo Ghana ha bi mo abakọ ana ohene ewo hoi na de ye findings are you ye ye put together documentary de hu ni say a single person wetimi aboa ama development abayo owo ye man mu no untimi nka ewa abra ubeyi opemso afrim na mu meme de metima ka say he is dead number 1
okay
a leaders of mabesin konyina obie no a obetimi de ne ho atoto ohene in terms of development enye I said you see di asem nko a na mum we na ye visual ye video ye put together ye interview nipa more than 100
okay
from across the country
mami mi sa question yi sa project now ye no e Ashanti region nko na ye beyond
Okay, so me free what this Senate district
yes.
there in the bank. My Kwame Danso there starting. Oh, who said teacher phone P hoa ye transfer mo call in Kron kitten ni idea a bimun person beko into the educational policy ebeba. Ah, obebo a teacher for abaso. Na wa mo sika kakra asho mo na wa mo ubia ohia moto wa mani bi ohia laptop obi ehia desktop computers obi hia bibi akade bi a momo mwetimi omo aha omo ama kire ye mofra na de no obe fresh afo enyina no every all the 10 regions amre na 10 regions obe free obi aba na wabo omo baso na enye sika baso body nimpo nemum the recognition na wo mwanya ene ohene eba ohan hotel momo ebe tenase ewo kumase na wabo omo abaso wato oni omo owia wasa ne omo aye dinner na sa ade no voter region ye ne oba bi o voter region din komo o see chese ni wiase nyina the greatest honor wanya ene sa adwumade na course no eniti ukose hwiyo so the largest dormitory block I wo oman mu ohene na asia ma omo wose hwiyo so ukọ Holy Child ukọ emia Eastern region Central region na mame mo bo district kakra
project na hodro ni na sefa
wa education ko
o de nya education o de fa education because your brain nti
your brain is say obi bitima say school ohene sisi school ana ohene sisi school p na me fa Adanse East Krobi Adanse East Pepe so LA primary we see 6 unit classroom block 6 bedroom teachers quarters 1 borehole 20 seater aqua private toilet eno ye Pepe so Adanse osi bia so osi teachers quarters esa de ka ho na Adanse East wona no ye okrobi e fe ho Nsokote Anansokote me say kro no ma mo ne din ni ya na mo de ache me LA primary eno se 6 unit classroom Amansia East Asamase Seche West Birem LA primary Atonsu Eja LA eno ye Seche West ninyina se me ka say me bobo so ahia time no because say ye kwa another sector
health sector so there was
health sector crowd there almighty confanoche $10 million na $10 million ni so obi wo fie no tie obeka oh na say ohene sika bebre ni ba no na $10 million enye sika bia na make $1 million eye tete sika no 100 billion ni achi
100 billion
tete sika 100 billion $1 million one pill
the $10 million
times 100 billion what the bagana sika ma enye yi trillion
yes
na so obi wo fie no ti bibi say o te 10 million na onim say sika kakra bi na ohene e de boa debi eye sika kese na ohene friend nkofo so o mo support nkofo no be support ye ni nyina no so o ka mo nyina sika ne bomu a endru half of the amount in pa no ope
okay
sika na ka ni nyina yo no a say the kotoko no ayi 50 billion o cedis de mo every season there some fanto players enti nyoma hodo ohene ye
God yes no masa nti de ba be come myself
enti hospital no apart from Confanoche no we be kwa hospital SDA hospital kwada so Tafuji nyoma o de ma o every year through his foundation ni na obi amanfo nim education wo benefit from education fund wo wo sirim eno no enye se wo ya asantini
sponsor wo
school 1999 na academic user fee na yentua wo man mu 1999 abaya no ho oye mampa dada wanye ne ba bi ko JJ Rollins edem rabbi say sisi a wo university wo atua osika wo atua school fees nti wo wini sika bia na wo ko fee over 600 to 1000 students omunyine ko fee no hene say after 99 na no so aba ohwe ma omunko fee nti omunyina samra no ntu obi school fees enye tech o Legon UCC Winneba and KNUST enti mofra ne nyina sa back to school a otu obi asika ma no na wo mo benefit wo mu no ebi ne honorable Isaac Asiama yina hini MP ebi ne John Kuma former MP of Ejesu a wanya ne ba bi ko ono so ye beneficiary sa afo nyina no e benefit from Otunfo education fund okobo no enclave ene ebi ma ye high court judges ebi ya appeals court judges wo mu nyina benefit ene omo di omo djuma na wo hwe religious coexistence ye fa a Christopher Bible nipa pi ni Bible wo mo kasem nti okọ kasa na nanka na ahanta ne ade nkofo pi troba fi se na brofo na be translate sisi o magai nti sika so e de translate ne boarding one verse bia ye $30 to $35 Now 30 to any one verse until John 3:16 for God so loved the world and $30 into a hine ye no say okay obehwe a translate Bible ni bi dia kokasa wo mu ni bi into a hunter a western region or hine a sponsor the translation of the Bible into the hunter language and mo ba beda na se kama say no manya bi ohwe nkramofo so and the Islamic religion said the wasi abo mo asewase ba bi o mo pedan yasi o mo mosque mo si school ni nyina o say mo fa na mo fa nye
I see means say or tikoko so ankasa no ni nyuma wa ye no me sure class e bi kra mo kra no mo call yes mo ye listening no gra mo antumi anwie
ya capture ni nyina ke be 10 hours be doors to
I understand that dabe na mo be premiere sa video we
a video ne be premiere no nyame adoma Sunday na sa ya kwasi de enne enso dwumadie be koso ahemfie and world leaders nyina eba wo hwe Nigeria ahemfo mu nyina eba enne omo ba be de hu dwuma na we no premiere na nkasa be koso kwasi da nwumre ewo SG Mall enti obia wo ye santi onye santi ni kra asante no is not one of the tribes in Ghana asante nye tribe Kwame dance obi be ka say some dem Kwame dance enti men kan asante no ho eno achi ya na obi bae o mampanyi bi bae no say edin asante na edam so no for administrative purpose enti mesesa no enti ho nyina ye for Ashanti West region o mampanyi Kwame Nkrumah na so opese mpuntu no ko ba bia enti oyi asante ana Ashanti na eda so no wa ye bono and a half eso ene obitimi ka say me de me fribrekum ti me nya asantini it is obia ye part of the project obi o ha so ye sehwini wo ye den o hene gina ho ma asante Ghana ene abibi man nyina
I see enti mami misa this adwuma mo aye it will take a lot from your pocket and your coffers no sponsorship ana because to me there was by this time Caribbean more millions worth of cedis a sponsor mo say mon koswa enye na mon digi na mon fa niema otikoko so me sure kra say outside Ghana kra no there are developments why ye
Sierra Leone nioma wa bua mo ni nyina ya capture
so it means you need sponsorship mo bi
yenya bi say
yenya say e bia na mo santimante mo ana mo nim say mu di dwuma so yi say e dey apega otikoko so din no e dey ato e dey hanya to dwuma so ne dwuma kese otikoko so ye ana mo
e bia ye guso kasa ye na megide say nipa ni betia o mo be frɛ ye na o mo aso ya sen fi say eji mu ayakoji
the benefit of the that e bi obi be pese o be get in touch say dwuma mo ye no na ni so da na kuma so pese oboa ma fa number 2 Joanna TNC
wadaroma number ya say o pese oboa ya obetimi afra na say so pese oba eji mo na be hwe bi so e free
SG mo
number no 0545
0545
04
04
0001
0545
0545 04 0001 Mati obi frɛ no pese oba be hwe bi a
ben for ba betachi ben for na DKM nso no nso oye showman na asantiman na kuma so no person oba be organizer the man NPP no as you don't know what this man can do
ene mahu say oye omanyoni ohwe KGT market
a organization baba we a organization
ona bo ene pia ohwe KGT market ne central market and Kumasi airport sa project nyina no documentary ni ebehu say eye hwan project
aban ana otikoko so
enti documentary ni ebehu sa ni mani nyina yakọ aban from mine for
no okuta ticket na
Debbie we na efiri obia o friend no say be ya e dem host
Sunday member
dem host enti e so be free we answer
but me nko Sunday member
wadaroma e be hwe
mi ama ba be hwe bi
wadaroma
na ma ba be premier thank you very much Adisi Poku
eti
ye na Adisi Poku facilitator oyo mo bo na fi so ene ma otikoko so 24 or say to 2 the second eye no wo mo de aba ehan mu na Ghana fo nyina ehu eno no ti bigam etna se penikese dia oye ohopi se oba be ye regional organizer at the Ashanti region Didi ankasa de Daniel Kweku Mensa DKM na dodo na nim se ya de frɛ no openikese na atena se boss ma je
me jo so menia
ba jo bibia yo fine de
adom ni ahwe
ye e da oba de na se your body and I say me pe shirt no so sa sign that right hand na dey na DKM no that's here we dey mean say new patriotic party what mo sign and I had you no so
we know just obi nka obi nka obi say amanyosemo ayeye no and say kika ya ho
I see
like say who the ba forma opeso bi ate ase a just say utwitwa onyonko na ntrike ka onyonko ho asam and say woka nsem bi wo no mo a obeka kire onwa wo amanyomu udi unim say o ka di agi to me na o ka di agi din kire no esunsun san so eba no ebe so akwa bi wie wa e wo the same sector na wo mu no me senti ena me from the one ena so the first day starting my politics in am dia ba Sompa FD so
yes
se obi tie ni apa on friend kan just oboa wo de me be kan ho mentina FD bia so nkasenti a obi se penny we ko contest na me di obi atem se meta we yachinti ana impomia me ko me contest no obi contest bi na me kan ho somebody di natem because of some payment minimum ye de me metimi aye ene de ma ye ene di am wo ho asem na meka enu nti ena masa logo wi eye me da eda mata di na aye me symbol am danam
wow wonim wai de wakan nyina menti ase wo menti ase nyina ne ze oyo obi a se yeka enkabum a we a leader for that sector and I'm not surprised who vie for organizer because organizer adwuma no ye nkabum adwuma o free we afia na mo kamu ho bom na adwuma so we se mudi no na modi anamo a we se mutu no na mo radin shaw na oma wani so ade hunu ya si wani so yi emram as the organizer hopeful no radin man emram I mean sure that no pa obi obetie bia through the wakan iti akra no will have a second picture of who you are and the opposite of the back NPP mo Ashanti region. Radin ma osa ho the nyansa ni nimdia ni ntiase no.
Amen.
And me I just don't vie for people like that. Hey no kwasem the okay there. Me so for ba ko ka che me say I mean wo edin a wo no enya ni ketua aso a wo no enya aso ketua ano na ehwene a wo no nya de ketua edi baba urade nka ho no ma osa ho de
amen
ya sha se na fe ye free say MPP mo to say afi mo registration no so akọ say
sure me da se ma bedru efidikasi yesu idie na o se mishira yura oteko so nana nyankwada no pe oba mebo me mu ase
yeah
maybe ni sa no sanse men so amanse west na mebutu manson kwanta constituency
okay
na so no yewuro tu oteko so ama obi a ohempo no so hwe ho mayen nti me wura manson kwanta hene ana bi kusi apia na no pe oba me chiawo afin ma ba me kuru a metimu manso mosia so me kuru hene ono so otumfo ma manson kwanta ma hene ba bi se ontena no ono so ada woroma waboaye ma manso mosia so hene wo ono so ehwe akire ma manso kwanta ma hene o da beso me wura
okay
eti me kire na baafo awua manso mosia so hene ono so anopei me chia no afi yembra committee for am no mo so mo na no mpanimfo wo kuro dia wonyina anopei mo temenka e ma assembly member DKM na metia me chia wo bibia de kwa bibia amanyoko mu so am di free soro be si form me chia party mpanimfo nyina kwa me constituency a me chia constituency mpanimfo nyina senti ametwa ne twetia wo saa no ene se ye amanyo na ye hihye party no wa we na akomo ba akudi no amo ba akudi a
yes
obeka so wayi me afrim
yes
nti na o se amanyofo ndie me ka wo mo nyina abom achia wo mo me chia MPs e wo Ghana nyina wo ye MPP for wona yinya no mo anya nyina me chia obi a titu asante mantem for me chia wo nyina ma chia me MP so me constituency ma so nkwanta so me chia no menua MPP mu ejaboko asap na am no kasai if you say metimi akase yenwie ne ye no na so polling stations album a yɛbie mu yɛde form saba sɛ yɛnkɔfa na yɛhwɛ wɔn a ɛdɔ party no mbɛtumi ayɛ adwumason de aboa party no for coming back to election 2028 no ne nua yɛbie forms no mu to hɔ no menim mo deɛ da biara mote afidie so te nsɛm paa kɔnkɔnsa no mɛtumi aka sɛ afidie no so ne yɛdi ne paa mente sɛ wate biribia sɛ yɛni anaa mentimi ho ase bi asi baabi mente ne saa ne nyinaa yɛ nka bɔ mu a yɛayɛ adwene sɛ yɛaka yɛ ho abɔ mu ne tumi a ɛda yɛ no mu a yɛpere sɛ yɛkɔpɛ nti no yɛgu so a yɛbie nomination for polling stations mente bɔne biara ɛti sɛ mente bɔne biara no deɛ me nso mentimi ntena baabiara nka sɛ nneɛma nkɔ yie wɔ MPP mu deɛ nkɔ yie ma yɛa ne abanbɔne a ɔteyɛ so a deɛ ma MPP nso yɛnya asomdwie fi sɛ 1-2 wokasa no wanka ne ɔno wɔ pa a na ɔde akye wɔ ɛno ne adeɛ a nkɔ yie ma yɛn MPP foɔ na ɛno pa ho deɛ a yɛ party no mu deɛ ɛmɔdwo yɛgu so a yɛyɛ yɛ polling stations album no yes
okay na MPP mo nso te sɛ
MPP na kasa mu no as party no so sɛ deɛ meka sɛ polling station dwumadie kɔ so no hɔ ne nyinaa yɛ ne hwɛ nti hɔ form fa problem emre yɛn ne deɛ still party no so ɛmɔdwo na party no mu dwo no na ɔsɛ yɛn so a yɛta akyire no so no yɛn so yɛhwɛ sɛ yɛn fa nneɛma kekawa bi nkɔnkɔ kam ebi a yɛka ne sɛ kura no obi kura no wɔnte sɛ registration forms no aba ebi a wate no wɔ Sompa afidie so yi na kanya na ama na akɔ hɔ afei ɔbɛfa fon no ɔkɔfrɛ panin bi a na akɔyɛ abufuo adeɛ no ba yɛ me nua yɛmfa nhyɛ dɛm me wɔ gyidie wɔ party mpanimfoɔ mu wɔ elections committee from national to end no mo gyidie wɔ mu sɛ instructions nhyehyɛ ɔmo de gu wɔ ma yɛsɛ yɛmfa nyɛ adwuma no constituency biara de yɛ adwuma because me ma so nkwanta me free a me sign kɔ party officer ɛne mpanimfoɔ chairman ne committee sa wɔ meeting obiara de ne deɛ yɛ adwuma eti me ngyi de sɛ panimu biara de ne deɛ ahyɛ dɛm eti sɛdeɛ yɛkɔto abayi yɛ flag bearer the whole Ghana political party bie no a wayɛ bi pɛn ne yɛ wɔ saa afie wei mu aba yɛ to yɛ no wodi dance sɛ ɛyɛ asomdwe yante pu yante dwe bibia kɔ so tɔte ɛmi yi nipa baako so me di anim wɔ ɔdɔ kwan so deɛ saa ne yɛhwɛ sɛ yɛde ɛno a na ɛkɔ eti yɛmfa bibia nhyɛ dɛm yɛmfa bibia nsuma ɛndrada obi faafo frɛ me ɔfaayɛ no na wɔnum sɛ me wɔkye no na eduru sɛ saa nsɛm ne yɛka nanso ɔfrɛ me no onum sɛ me wɔkye ne nneɛma na activities bi a wɔyɛ bia no na ɔsɛ me yi na ten me ka kyɛn sɛ me nua sɛ ɔso do MPP ɔsono no na nyɛ individual person sɛ bi nyɛ selfish na yɛ party MPP ɔsono da yɛ ano na wɔdɔ no dia forget about ne woyɛ bia di tia party no ne kɔ ka kyerɛ mpanimfoɔ sɛ wa na wo kɔ join the days was the base ne mum party ne mu yɛ akɔnɔ eti obɛbɛm ne fa ho kɔ hyɛm because afɛ ne yɛ sate ayɛ hyɛ no wɔ fam yɛnyi obi a mfiri mu enti me ka kyerɛ no no ogyina afɔ no so di ɔsɛ ɔgye akyiɛ na sɛ me nua me mpɛ didi ma me ma wo evidence na me a me forward the evidence from me phone so na me de ma no hwɛ din ɔsɛ no deɛ ɛyɛ yi na sɛ nyɛ yi deɛ mehu na meka nti sɛ ofi sɛ the base sɛ na wa wo kɔɔyɛ no ofi sɛ ɛhɔ ɛmmoa wa me nkyekyerew wokɔ bible nim kora na ɔse ɔde obiara pɛ ɛde ama no enti no ɔse nhyira ne enumi ni hwɛ mu yi ne ɛwɔ pɛ de sɛ wobɛyi nomi a ɛsɛ waa wobɛyi nhyira a ɛsɛ waa nti me ntu ne fo na wɔgyidie sɛ afutu am de ma no ndra no ɛnam so ma ɔka kyerɛ nipa mmienu ɔmo so frɛ no meka de sɛ masɛm korɔ no a ka nyɛ sɛ wopɛ sɛ deɛ meka no wonkɔfa bi nka wapa yɛ recording kɔ me ne woka sɛ me recorde wo na kyerɛ bi wankɔsɛe me ampa wɔtee masɛm no menim yie sɛ ɔntoa neɛ na ɔyɛ no so sɛ mpɔmfa no wonkɔhyɛ MPP registration no a yɛyɛ ne mu police station abɔ no a yɛyɛ ne mu na ɔbɛba constituency o sɛ ɔbɛkɔ regional o sɛ ɔbɛkɔ national mpo sɛ me deɛ a meekɔ no no wɔabɛgyina so wɔ contest a mene problem ne nyinaa ne sɛ deɛ wadi kaa yɛ atwa wura agu ne kyɛ no ɔnkɔ yi wura no nyɛ dɛ ɛfiri hɔ because moment a wowɔ ɔsono no mu na womfa report anaa letter bi ammerɛ mpanimfoɔ sɛ woafiri ɔsono no mu kɔ na wobɛkɔ akɔdi amanyɔkuo foforɔ akyi no it tells you sɛ wankasa no wagyae obi nhyɛ wo MPP amanyɔkuo no mmara ne ɛde yɛ adwuma no mmara no da hɔ ma yɛn wɔn na wɔde wopɛ bɛdwan ne ekuo no ɛna mmara ne bɔ woso wɔn ban bi nti sɛ wɔn de wopɛ bɛdwan na sɛ wɔso de wɔn wopɛ kɔ a mi deɛ mi hu ne sɛ wɔsi yɛ de wokɔ saa de ntina de wopɛ kɔ no wɔn anka nkyerɛ.
anaasɛ yɛne wonya kasakasa
dabi yɛne wo ni saa deɛ no only thing a me believe sɛ yɛn sɛ sɛ party ɛsosɔ so ne sɛ ɔmfa yɛ din sɛ de ma bɛtena ha yi na me frɛ me ho sɛ me yɛ NPP ni na me nneɛma a me yɛ nyɛ na me ma yɛ atade na NPP logo bɔ mu na me san de di nsɛmhunu foforɔ anaasɛ yɛ create platform social media platform a yɛ ka NPP asɛm wɔ hɔ na ɔbɛhu me sɛ me yɛ NPP ni no na me san so yɛ different party adwuma susu mpa sɛ DK mo te yi NDC fo bɛ ade mo ɛwɔ mo platform so ana yɛmfa me nto so adentra me yɛ NPP ni ti sɛ wo so yɛ NPP ni ɛne yɛne wo kɔ yɛne wo ba na sɛ ɛnɛ wo si edin bi nti wa ka sɛ obi antiw obi ankaw na mmom Agyarko nti Agyarko kɔ ne contest ana Agyarko na apɛ na sam enti anu nti wo to ho akɔyɛ wa manyokuo fofora me DK ma me te yi me no ni problem sɛ me ma me ba ne okra sele me nua ne ho me no be kɔ de yɛ kɔ no a ne mo adu amanyo mu a wonka me ho ɛno ni ade a me hu ne sɛ nkɔfo bi yɛ sɛ etu saa afɔ ne fo what the meaning of that the base a wo yɛ NPP ni a wonim sɛ ɛyɛ party ni mu na wote obi ampamo yɛte wei ibi asɔre kura no a sɛbi asɔfo kuta bible a mo na ɛkyerɛkyerɛ sɛ ɛkwantene ni yɛmfa so ne ade akɔ heaven hɔ no heaven obi amfa na ni hunu o but bible na direct hɔ kwan ɛno kura mpo no wo yɛ mfomso a yɛka ana mfomso yɛ den etimi bɛm we deɛ wonya mfomso na ate asɔre nem ebi a yɛgye tax sɛ tax sɛ den na woni bi ɛnyɛ fo sɛ kyenkyena kɔ wi afa bra enti wonya bi a na wo de akɔ ti sɛ obɛdɔni ama no ku asa na teɛ ye wo to a yetua sɛ woni bi na utimu a obi ampamo me hunu obi oso wa NPP mu a o se on tua to ayapamo no ebi nsida anu ne timi yi nipa free party mu ebi nsida but eye den na wo amanyoku enim ye mpamo wonya mfomso obi a na wo se ya to aba awie aba ya to ye no Ghana amano ne obi edi dance say flag bearer ye yi ye no eye successful I will help you ama so the base so say there no wo problem pa ne say a members amu NPP mu no a yɛne mo wɔ platform so no mo di ɛno akyi mo problem paa ne deɛ sɛ wopɛ ne yɛ di a me deɛ meka kyerɛ sɛ ɛnka akyi sɛ deɛ no a meka kyerɛ me nuanom no san bra wakyi fi sɛ ɛmere pa wɔ hɔ afei ne asate polling stations ebi a no ahoɔden ɛwɔ polling stations sɛ wode bɛwurawura dwom ɛne abɔnten atwe dɔm de ama party no biribia ne hɔ aka akyi saa wakyi fa ho kɔdɔn ɛnyɛ hɔ na wopɛ nso so a saa wakyi na twɛn yɛwie hɔ na sɛ coordinator na wopɛ a fa ho kɔsɛ coordinator nim nyame adom party no mpanifo nim die mu no ɔmo abie nneɛmam ama coordinators no akɔyɛ 5 first na yɛ 1 it is 4 mu ya na bɛka ho so 4 vacancies ɛna da hɔ
obɛsɛ ɔka party akandifo ho a
fa ho kɔsɛ hɔ wompɛ hɔ atwɛn ɛbɛdu constituency so akɔ wura mu bi twɛn ɛbɛdu region so na ɔbɛkɔnta se DK mu koraa
national no waba
hɔ
obia wɔ ne deɛ a ɔbɛyɛ
saa na teɛ wɔ NPP mu but the base no ɛfiri hɛn me ne wɔn nyɛ adwene nɛ ɔkyerɛ so ka ho titiri wɔn a menim paa sɛ wɔn yɛ NPP foɔ yɛn mo te one platform so
wɔn nka asɛm wɔyɛ wɔn bibi deɛ
kyɛ sɛ wɔnhunu reason ɛna anam te sɛ wɔn de ewura Kennedy Japan frafra ɛna Kennedy ti ne yɛ te the base yɛ Kennedy deɛ me why Kennedy Japan himself no yɛto abawie no wada Ghana fo nyina ase wada party na ase wa accept sɛ ampa wa defeat Dr. Bawumia ana ewini still on fa bibia ma abonten sɛ wa free NPP mu ɔmɛbɔ wa bia
but manyanti ɛsɛ end of December no bɛba abonten abɛkasa
nti end of December no bɛba abonten abɛkasa mo mani die wonte
end of this year rather
what I say mo mani die wonte sɛ susu ampa sɛ so wɔba abonten bɛkasa na wɔ se ɔda so yɛ NPP ni a mo a mo kɔ saa bɛ yɛ abom awie o yɛhyehyɛ abom ni party yɛhyɛ biribi awie ti mo a mo kɔ di the base sɛsɛn n'akyi no ebi a na wo so kadwuma so ɔbɛtumi de ayɛ de aboa party ne coming back no na nka ho hia but December so ho mi pɔ de minti yo aha na me beto no say true dia say end of December
me ya che say end of this year bia no obeba bontia
correct sabra na awie elections MPP bi bia beba awie me say October na awie bi bia ewum the only thing ebeka ye MPs no e dey na aka nti o na wo kwa akopre ana
ebia say omu wie na Kennedy be kasa wie bi on be san back but bia omu ntumi mbe card so mo MPP for
nenso
on ba be yes supporters
nenso ye woni pa nimu bi wo ho no mo a e wo say wo mo akasa trase na wo mo dwen ma wo mo a ho
on be gidibre
on be gidibre wo MPP mu na wo mo bo MPP me ba back
nim die ne kwan mo fa so ne die o mo person ka MPP ye no
wo mo fa be boa because nim say me nua the base ya wo ka say wo ko ho ya wo ko akoye okula mo die don say mo pe the third force. It tells you that the third force there is the NDC MPP no obi antimi info ma be di first and second
baby
ndi do ba third na wo be die eso nya president na wo we
the base na ehunahuna mo ana
me oh se ehunahuna me aka me ka me ehunahuna me da korokora da me ye wo die me die ni say emlantie bi a me di mani hu wo mo mo ye vibrant a mo MPP mu eye adwuma a eye yie asem bi a atwa mu nti so ho obi di yaudie ekwedi Canada echi so pe Canada
yes
all because 2024 year to abanema bi ohunu ye amwa no ebi di yaudie kwa e same 2024 kwa ebi di yaudie kwa dua ne NDC but ene wasa ba so ye MPP ni wo ye adwuma e da bo Canada ama Canada to wie na wo no agu so sa yaudie na show mu say na me koti mi kodi debate achi me problem no nso di kodi achi na ukọ na ahozo ankoso aba nso wo ya adamusa
yes
no abo asesa because ye hunko bi a ni wa lankas wo party no 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 mu di alan achi so ye nyina ne enkwala bi a ne palankas asem a ne di alankas achi bai e koduru brebe no a ye ne ti a ye nyine ko ye nim no me be do ba wo mia 2012 me be do no
okay
e follow na to na me ti an ma follow no a
emre ne nkrabia
sa me ti
ene mal afi wa ba be do we
mo
nti e bi kura wo ka se wo do the base nti wo ko join the base no brebe ko ni be registration e be ku 2027 no what's about be do taba obi a say no zenga opedi bira
e ka ko anim intermediate mafutuo nam de ma wo mo say e nam do de ensen kwan organa constitution mo e nam do ensen kwan e na wo kwan so ko te o party but me de mafutuo de say na hyase ani free MPP mu the base ni hine no if MPP mu na e de economy twe other political parties ni bi aka ho de na ka me de mafutuo ni say mama yantu ebo ne entrase ne emra back ne nyina hye party no na oye dani a sɛ de akwa ne kan utwum ne nyame yepe MPP be back 2028 elections 2029 sabre ne ye ahenfo aye o ma we mu
I see enano sunyane demonstration omo ye nsura huna menim sɛ wo pe organizer our Shanti region but me who in viral videos ahodo na ekwa bontin say na udi muntinti mapa te say udi animu ankasa Ashanti region na op organizer dey tin na bono for your madi a wo ka ho na dey tin na wo ka ho
hey Agyarko enye problem kura na say MPP for na yes program na want
and MPP for
bono region
yes
MPP for
yes
you say MPP for dia me so me MPP ni
okay
me de me wi asia me ba me pa de na me pe
okay
say me do a me de me re me kla ni me nim de nyina me yi Nyankopon de nyina afiri mu wi ade aka bia me bia hye mu bi
okay
jise mante
ndize uti we say onya ka say wo do Agyarko a
Mema
bia wo de Agyarko
me se me nya da nyame ase wie na ade nya ache me a wo ya me den de Agyarko be ye bia no enya me ka akere wo
okay
wo ye na nya
okay
me ka akere wo eno je se me no ntamatete
I see
me kana ni ye muvu se aduane kwa ni ye kodi so se ye kwosra ni ye kwosra ye kosu ani ye kosu me ka akere wo etimi do MPP me nu de be ye me ame me ka se me free MPP mo me nim adan se position me pe a me nya na me be ko pani mu bi wa ko se ma me wan sidi no anfa ma me ana m ko pe adwuma bi aye osam de fa party so ana mabaya ba power osam de fa ne so ana me nya ana ebi a yahudi aye so nipa bi di afem no ye to na bonten a ebi ebetimi agu party na ebetete party mu enye no ho asam no so wo hwe etimi ka se me do bibi a me de me we me clear ne me bibia hyem de no di de ohun say me di demonstration mu e wo bono no me nua in the name of MPP ena mpanifo say sɛ wode wo nsa baako hwɛ onyɔnko si a deɛ aka ne nyinaa no ɛhwɛ wo so enti ɛnɛ ɛna asi Agyarko so sɛ Agyarko deɛ ɔsompa nti sompafo na ɛnyɛ wɔm asɛm enti me a mewɔ sɛbi other station like Oteke anayi dɛ mefa ho bɛyi na ɛne ɛkɔɛ na ɛkɔkye Agyarko na wanka bie no ɛkyerɛ yɛbɛba hɔ wonum baabi a ɛbɛtɔ because party ni yɛatra sɛ yɛnhwɛ haa wɔ nneɛma bi ho a ayɛ ko ayɛ nɔ ayɛ sa ana akɔyɛ na eti yɛntɔ ne nkɔyɛ num yɛnum deɛ de ba ne so because ɔman ne mmira no ma yɛakɔnya sɛ ɛyɛ freedom of speech but saa freedom of speech no ɛnyɛ MPP mmeranteɛ emu nkoa na sɛbi wɔn akasa tia ɔman panin bi ana ɔman panimfoɔ mɛ nsosɔ saa nneɛma no so no mɛ nsosɔ so but ɛnyɛ wɔn nkoa na ebi ɛsi pɛ siasi ebedi ekyir titi mu awusu mu a ebetumi a review nsɛm bebree ɛno ɛmfa nkabom asomdwe ma ɔman Ghana mu it was see atwa nneɛma nyinaa to na yɛ nyinaa yɛ move forward as a country ɛno nti na mekɔ dwɛne saa yɛ nsuro ɛhunuhuna no sɛdeɛ ɛbɛyɛ tuo betwa
wonim another picture I say twa kyerɛ me sisi a it means indeed we organize ampa because say ɛkɔ eastern ɛkɔ western ɛkɔ central ɛkɔ northern ne nasefo a yɛn nyinaa yɛ mom yɛn frɛfrɛ
yɛn ho
yɛn ka mom yɛ dɔmo a ɛna yɛ asɛm no yɛ den
ɛkɔ
yɛ dɔmo a ɛna nipa behunu sɛ yɛn yɛ den abre I see
saa na sɛ yɛ no
deɛ na ma onya sɛ ne dua so ade hunu ne sɛ wo ba bɛ organizer because per me no conversation it is revealing to me a lot of things so I have to ask you this question
Minia
yes
deɛ na sɛ ka me di ka ya manye ɔsɛ ka me ma tiefo ne ahwefo a ɛwɔ wɔ fidie so abɛfo fidie so kuna ehunu me ni paban asana mo won ba bi ama bedru de dia metime na nkachi meme deɛ metiwe na me nanson da ye da sɛ me ba be pre-regional organizer because me no ka say me ye organizer constituency e ma manson kwanta obi ampa mo me da say constituency organizer aba ye be tuwe say me so me say gyina as constituency organizer me say we ni all because of the way me city our party ne constituency ho it na me na nyu no say me ba region for regional organizer nti man ne ma bebre wo mo kura no amaye aboa party MPP a mentimi anyama nyu say me save kura to baby mentimi anyama dwon nti ade e first organizational work ne de menim say no na nyame de bo me if you say me assembly member of Manson Kwanta eh district wo no mosia so na me assembly member no me call assembly 2015 till now me da say assembly member ade e first say nkabom ene ye nka edomom ne omon ko ya ade no ade a malidia
na ke say wo ya ade ma ne ye nipa fem da bia
ni pa
say wo bedi nanim from 2015 as assembly member then now that so ye assembly member
yes
it is telling to know who you are
yeah enu mo no ukọ assembly wa ye politics wo but ye koduru ye ne ehun say ye koto NDC aban na na all that time the new so mo caucus ye NDC caucus MPP caucus quickly first time assembly member me so me fa me nko ofo ka mo bo mu ho so da bia ye so ye be gina na so de pese ye bia mo eti be pem ne Manson Kwanta district no ye we caucus ho no mo a enye time a ye wo floor of assembly meetings no ye caucus sem na mum ye di ye ho nkomo hwe kwan ko e be fa so e be ka ye ho abomu a ye so ye ba ekira efia ye party no entofo
I see
ni nyina ye DKM na me lead sa na me nyina guso a me ya me firi
that is organizational work na what me sure say na me edible
me dia what the ball me
we are NALAG president
come on
wa se me hu
NALAG president ya wo kan inia enye so fitia no abaye vice president wo Ghana Ghana nyina o
Ghana nyina
enye Ashanti region ko ana nya Manson Kwanta district the whole Ghana me ana mete vice president the whole Ghana National Association of Local Authorities of Ghana the trinity of NALAG me and I'm second vice president.
Wow.
And on ultimate now ufie nkas open vice president edi na to ye to aba yam point
nti o mining nyina to aba
Ghana nyina 16 regions me ko ba bia so bi.
Are you surprised I got to know that?
Say na social media idia
In social media
what me anya ko di ke won sam de na bia me ka say
but no
won sam ko chi
because of a juma wo ye ni person a wo te na amanfo pa mo pe wasenti no lot of course am here the foul hono say nka menya bibia metumi dia pia wan ka no pa bi de pia wa mo say abrante na wa betina na nim no na juma on fa ni agro honestly nyanya bibia asade
nyame me mo nya bibi kasa kura be ka fa DKM hono de wura be bo afa me kura ya bibi
wodim say enkomo kwa bontin je wanzo ko to Dr. Bawumia
ma tibi ma me kura ma clear na me pesa sanso kura me kan bio se party no ye peniye a ye pe party ni ye enka bompa be ba party we mu e wo Ghana ha nya Ashanti region ko na so ni se MPP die na ni wan kasa no e Ashanti region just ye peniye die a ye nyi sansem no nyere enfrim
because me kura I don't see the need say ye ko contest no be so support you after all ye we
after elections
when no was say ye ma ye ni kono ho near support no near providing all the needed arsenals or the beko akọ we ni election dey amaye
almost starting we I be na ma boys be ekoko different party and me too omo for say di omo nyina be ba on board.
Okay,
if you say almost start side we are it tells you say onye wadwen say open kabom
no kwasem
Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia himself ne to abawie ye no wone e contest ye ni nyina so ade ahia mu
oni bi you have to credit
adidi
yes.
As was always engage you one on one
yes
so how can say wo awudi akire one for one see the kura ama no wo mo be yenyi mu na enya nwanwa se wo mo keka ya mani si mia manim tinya teka kire
wow
ewo me bo ni din keke na aka asem honorable ayu afiri ye fie o free party for ono amudi nkomo ho
honorable ayu so me ye no ho adwuma se benya no da ko fidie mu
yes
nti wa be tena ha ide me de fauso
mate me ka kire no
mate
ni fie no kura mpo oni ho no ho na ya party for na bi ko fa wan asem baaye
okay
e ma ni di nkomo no ka se de DKM na e ba organizer wa na obi free nkofo ko gina be ka chon se Dr. Bawumia say ye fa asem semra ti wa na ma ni so ye ntokwa na si manim na me am ko ni pa no ka chen se me gidi se party no umpeni yi so pe party ni yi a ka won ka sa asem se Dr. Bawumia say a me tu mra chiri usi wan ka sa ni pa na wo ka sa asem ni kire nkofo no wan ka sa wo ka etu a na ye DKM na fere ka na ma wo
oh okay
campaign time
I see
2023-24 campaign ye no se ni pa no an ka sa
oh okay
ne ka tu a me si se mi ka tu a zin sika from filling station ho no wo mo abedi dance am wo fa last okoja boy am dance ni wonu nipa make na ho asem
nipa ni nkaye
wo ka tu a eye me na me free fu e dem am
yam fa no to baby me de gi ye se hu se what's the backgrounds wo krom e ampa
enokre
are
o say assembly member on say adwuma de nyina wo ba be assembly member o so no man ne trase na mo ye nema bi a ehia wo mo se so man na so bo wo mo so no mutimi ye nya de bia na so de to aban so
okay
enti me hwe ye no na me kurofo hia sa de background na me fi say ahwodi ni ho no na me hwe me ho na metimi aye na o se me ame ye eti me ankasa na me ye ya o man no even nsuo kura me de bo pa come de ma contractor the contractor na GB bia from crankle to crankle
one kasa
me ankasa na mfrazi bia.
So it means that MPP no be organizer crowd bet me do sika ye bribia emfree national and ambo emfree the running you can say flag bearer no hokra
no kura se mo wo say sika obi na wo bi ye pe me akonya me ni bi me tesi ya me kokora yi ma me message me ya ko ye djuma de abo party
I see
me de ne say mo fa me mra e me gina mfin from as organizer na me toto niama eduru won ko ade ko ye be fa so a ye be mobilize na ye nya resources no ko me be to mpanifo na me no mo be ye adwuma enya me nko na me fa region no aso a ye be yi mpanifo bi to say chairman na be de akire secretaries ni ade de wo mu nyina ba on board it as committee ne trasia na adwene nim dia a me so nyame dia ma me no na de atu wo manim honorable na we de odi aba na be nya no wo hen chairman munya abotre momye nkwa ha momye mfa ne nyina aka ho abom ne akotwe ne de aba bibia ne we be hia ye se yentimi mfa yenya adwuma with resources mobilization any problem
me pese nipa hu nipa su a wo ye ayi krobe na auto transformer de mo no
achiase ewo ayi ahafo ano southwest area
ahafo ano south na auto transformer
na me akra bi krom me mbapa krom central region apa de nchira west krom fe Jameson kwanta awon so amato baako
aden tina o
me mbapa firi ho
aden tina o yesa na e ba yina
so say du ba bia ahojere ko ba nya bibia no so de twen aban ho ti so wa re ahoche na aba ho no na office obetimi aboa na waboa o ma na yatimi ye ni say ya kene ma bibire ho no anka aban kora mem kian so benya ano ni ahoden aka bibia akira aban mo so ame so ye ho ha
na ti sika na ye pe no ye mfa bi moa na ye nyina nso ye ho hin ha ye
sa na tie
aban sanko antumi
nkata ye nyina ye ni so ti me ye we nyina in the name of nipa e wo man ni mo that time so ye MPP na wo power it ye ntwe bo bi nkobo o say menua enema bi wo ho anti na say se wo pesa wo de wo hwe ade na wo hura fagya ne otifie ho
okay
nipa otifie ho no wo de wade gya no a
okay
wo hwe ho no na be hwe afiri no
okay
na wo twa na ade ko gya ne dia wo ba na ye ni wa wo ze ko bi say ho won so no wo ko metia no wan fa nya no
ono akra odikosie kro be kire say oh hanom oh ontumi
nkyere
ba de ote ho no
ote ho no de
obebodi ni ba bia
enti ni twa so tia mbeza me kenya ni say organizing work e organizer region de fagya me am ye organizer na me tibu dada no fagya me because me constituency organizer am ye organizational work ma nya na man say we senko a me ye the Ashanti region me ko eastern region campaign time ko northern region north east me ko central region me ko western of western main no ni nyina na ekuo bi altidi boa party MPP em na me di akira me launch me konso am nko empty me yenta de eche me ba na me jamu bibi e na mbe fa bobo ya akọ ba bi akọ campaign what I say enti me organizational work am ye no me nye no in the name of nipa bi enti me ye no party mu a me ye de bo obi bia bi enti sa wo pese wo pu obi ba be gina finfira toto niema wona o ma ba mo bu ye be twom de aba o me nya kasade aka kire nipa o kan so na oye nye so wo ka to ho me fa bi san ko hye me ma motuam na me mpe ba bi nyina me pockete me ma ye gaga ho so nemom me be ya ade a ebe boa party dia mesre fa adwuma ni gya me na me na me gina mu dada ma o mu wire mfisa me ye organizer adwuma a wuni mu ye no se obi ya ne basa wote ho a ne haw eno na pagya me se da bi party ni form a ya to no me san trase emi mfatu mi ne nkoma nipa bi ade ma no kwa ontime nye no wonye ne yie
okay
obaje what life ni kukuku baje but ontime nye cause ya hunu adwuma obia ye ne party nim me de mani ehun timu se wo de me ya me na boroso metimi ya ye organizer adwuma na ma na boroso jo enye adwuma ya de ma me because o kasa no a wo kan no na lag na ye kan ye Ghana nyina asemo eno kura no metimi abaye o mu nyina vice president ami bowula nso me bo adwuma o ama asudwe ne niema ekoso na region
me time na community nsia me sa question ni nsi from the awardima NPP for Mutio Ashanti region ne Ghana at large I think so wie nso a the entia o say party no o be koso abo mo na won twen kra se sika be free baby aba twentia in 3 minutes ma me na nsi from
okay party for them what the more an say yako opposition mpanifo bu be say belma hwe ase a na nya na wie ya no no na enye first time MPP nso akọ opposition ni na opposition we ya akọ ya no de ama popo biribiri aboye
okay
ne senti de America ne se eye ntobo ase ne abotre na ose yenya ne ka ya humbum as party na yekoso aka ya humbum a kwan bia so ye ba gitumi no 2028 na 2029 abe president abe ruling party over this country ti de mekoso ase me members ne se obi bia kan akomanto ne bi si party ne se onti ase a ti na party mpanimfo fakoto wo manim na yen toto niema ne niema enye kama ni senti na me se momoa na bre ne so a meba regional organizer na mo de ma ba be hyemu ho na sa ne ma me kan nyina ne ahwese ye be ye de aye ne yie aside we no mu nyinaa no so no ne meme susu se mode me ba metimi aye de abo party no party opposition ye wo power kura no na amanfo nse echi eden ye wo power no na nkofo obo ye buga ye ne party peoples na akasa ho ntade pa party ye Dr. Mahmoud Bawubianom de ba ye negu dem na kwaprane akente so ye mfa ma the right person the right peoples mo mfa ntare ne nkofo mo nkoche edu ba bi a me amete timi ye ntare na me amecheche cause atade keke obi afa nkoto aba ma party etimi ka kire party for say mo mfa me nko na me ba sa ne ma wenum de ne menkuma me ne mpanimfo ye yi wo mo be ka bom ni ahwe ni esi ya chi ana anya no ni ye sa ne me nyina efo ni ahwe de be ye be boa party for na de agu akwam na ma party ni mo aye hwam na ye de na de make say ye the new MPP ana eba
Mate mene Daniel Kwaku Mensa and me say me papa waka baby also the Mensa not the Joseph Agyarko Mensa the odi Mensa dia link bi ewo ho Daniel Kwaku Mensa do one friend DKM na ate say ye ne di ahia mu edi enkomo ewo fidie mu hanom no. There's a lot to talk about by the brain inti ye de besi ti my yenkoye babe this no ya ba na fi so yes form na sports for no so ababe to so e amaye ewo hodum ti se babe this na ye ready a mo ma yenwra mu ewo hodum but ma menya message ba ko mienu ya abeba ewo eye hodum na fi ya call babe this no so wo eye hodum so we say okay 1 2 Mensa Saba South Central North Central or say I am genuinely surprised that a government which made strong promises during the election period would remain unconcerned while teacher trainees are forced to hit the streets over unpaid allowances. Education is the backbone of any nation, and those being trained to carry that responsibility deserve better. Message you know what I mean Trinity and I feel mean kofa or for so dear teacher constitution or say is the NDC a serious political party? If this is how a country is governed, my family and I could do a better job than JDM and his NDC administration. They lied to Ghanaians for power and are still running propaganda after winning. If you voted for the NDC in 2024, ask God or Allah for forgiveness. You've harmed this country. Greetings to Honorable Mavis in Cancer, Honorable DKM, and Mr. Owusu Bempansha, so NPP chairman, hopeful. And so the I don't know. Benji from AM Fancy a message and so what a Elhanum. San so and teacher Kujo Tepa and Yana Susu also message and also Abba ya and also our a Hanum. Message is not Dawson and I must say, but birthdays now really are young cop, Yabrana song and the son of his possible and Mambe Fat Mantle no normal twasso and far. And my home. So happy birthday to Honorable Julius Deborah, Chief of Staff, Edema, Ghana. Papa, your humbleness, your nobleness, nay, or calmness to issues and to everybody, your approach to everything. The cost was strange, I miss over because of a mouse, or deno, na nimdiani nyansanswa, I was what the mouth, nor the brow, not of mine. Ode Abuano Fabua, na Fabua, the President of the Republic. Happy birthday to you. John Abambila. Okay, we free John Abambila, Hodom Ena Eba. And happy birthday also goes to you, Ajari James of Wasa Akatrika from Abake. From James of Wasa Abatrika. Baki, where I miss Agari. Happy birthday in common, Miss Agari, but that's not the name you gave to me. I miss Agari, so Ajari, happy birthday to you. And hey, James Namachon is James of Wasa Akatrika, happy birthday in common. You're maintaining an show normal. Birthday Munshira, you know, Afifo from Munshira, you know, one son and Kawa Honum. So let's move on to the next one. Happy birthday to Abdul Wali, and now woda efri Rabbi ho Rabbi si and cancho say nyamema ehai ɛni w'anim ɛhan ɛntɔw so nyame ma sereɛ ɛnɔɔso w'abrabom nyame ma decisions a wobɛtake bia no and yield the fruits a day kɛseyɛ bɛba. Happy birthday to you, and happy birthday also goes to you, Bonfire, popularly known as Fireman at Mankra. So may this birthday bring you more happiness, peace, strength, good health, and more money. From your district chief executive, Honorable Abubakar Sadiq DC, man, Ebenezer Owusu Ansa, Commander Stone, and the entire task force. Almost happy birthday and come out. Happiest birthday to Nana Boachi Kusi Yadom, the second CEO of Who Knows Tomorrow Group of Companies. Watch it. Yamin yo kese, yamin tra washim. Nipa wa mo dan wono, yamin ma wa hoden na sika dim de ne nyansa obetumi e de abo mo sa kopem se yamin abefro. Thank you very much, and happy birthday, Dr. Ben of Owu Honum. Happy birthday to Ohima Sika from Bismarck upon Jasi, former player, Karela United. And the Bismarck upon Jasi say, baby, I want no, Yame Mwao, na Juma be biano, Sikamrim, Juma be biano, and Pega Kasiye, ne and Kanko Embremo Honti. Happy birthday to you. And happy birthday also goes to you, Nicholas Cheneboa, communicator of Circle of Trust Fan Club from Don Richard Kusi, chairman of the Circle. Ose yankanchira ose nyamisho ano nya okesiwai obutu pankrono nyaminti na nimunchiro na afi so nyamema seria no nkoso a entina wanim. And lastly, happy glorious birthday to Nana Kusia Pukia of Sokoban and Pabin from all your sisters. Mama, sister, nyini na ye kese empeja animonyam she sika ahoden and yes, ready free trade and happy glorious baby. Thank you very much on that. And happy birthday to you, Gloria. O Siri, Yamaman and Koso and Tina when him nafi fufru yin so, and yes, Syria Nikas, yes, sir. Happy birthday to you, Gloria. On that note, thank you very much for being a part of the show. MCR crew, Kelvin, Ulysses, Omo, Techi, Rabin, so to Honum, and I feel so, yeah. Barbara Directy show no what a DKM and what a Dusi Pokunso and Kamidi Kwame Agyarko. Sports for no transcend the Kamuina with their twasso at their mouth. Me Jao Hono, me say, live well before you leave. Good morning.